how I approached it was I reached out to someone who graduated from my school, and if the coffee chat went well, I would ask them if they could introduce me to another person, maybe on the team that I wanted to be placed into, or someone who was doing something that I wanted to eventually do.
Yeah.
And that was the best way to meet as many people as possible, because then you have a direct referral from someone that that person who didn't go to your school knows.
Yeah, that's huge. Always
Uh,
asking for that additional person at the end is such a
yeah,
nice little hack that can get
yeah,
you
yeah.
so many more
Like,
contacts. Thanks to you, my listeners at Wall Street Oasis. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to send them my way, Patrick at wallstreetoasis.com. And until next time.